Ngi hapor ba ngidang ngilates da kani jayu uni kencngan bet yeladi udah napo quarantine center kay gaba information ga bangayo hadu mentang sini galang gumni ba umi la kami hi napo quarantine center usai la kali la jong uli on yai lok la jong sapo rang thong PHC hapo rang thong PHC ularung to po but ularung aku ini ki ATM apa sati sepo makurwat but anda one pai uladon sekatukan ni cakap boleh tu ngidang yawat kata ngidang le contact tracing hadir usalipai se quarantine center kini udai ubatrai apa hospital balanang belastar ubatip bomdai ban penkenyi kendon jok quarantine center dan nakalawan ketika report ke ulong positif ngilarai corona care center but nakaliang ke department nda ulayo ke tingkat jingkia ke bapura ngin say pek pada ke action ke bangin sim hanor ke tingkat kanya ka quarantine
mungkin ini file case
ya kata ka jing file case ngin say pek hadir nda ngalai keran mahabat hapo bat ke government ngalai fa report of government ngin sa sim ke kon halor kata maksud Mencisi hapo civil hospital worker paramedical staff from civil hospital who had been quarantined as he was awaiting his test report. Day before yesterday he had broken the quarantine rules. He was put up in one of the quarantine centers of the government. He had gone to drop his missus at Rang Thong PHC, entered one ATM and the PHC proper, and then when he returned back he had gone to other places. We are doing the contact tracing now, and then went back to the quarantine center without anyone knowing this, because the quarantine center which they had put up is in a hotel for the health workers. So for this we are awaiting reports for this, because he is working in civil hospital. When his report turned out to be positive, he has been taken to the corona care center, and after he recovers, then we will take a call on what action is to be taken, because he is a government employee, so he is governed by all rules of the government. So we will see what call we are going to take, and that also we have to send the report to the government, and then government